breaking news. America has entered the war. Iran is burning. Israel is armed. The world is trembling. But the real question is, will you survive this economic war? And is this the beginning of World War III? Stay with me for the next few minutes. This is not just about missiles. It's about your job, your money, and your future. It started as Iran versus Israel. But when Iran's nuclear facilities came dangerously close to creating a bomb, America stepped in and fired the first missile. Not covertly. Openly. Loudly. Powerfully. In just 72 hours, US jets struck deep inside Iran, and suddenly, this regional rivalry turned into a direct US versus Iran confrontation. But this isn't just about politics. This is the chessboard of global power, and now, even Russia and China are watching closely. Why would America risk war? Because Iran was too close to becoming a nuclear-armed nation. And the nuclear Iran would mean Israel under threat. US bases in danger. Oil markets collapsing. And a possible World War III trigger point. Better a strike now, than a nuclear regret later. That's how America thinks. What happens if Iran strikes back? Iran has three options: stay silent, and lose power. Hit Israel, and face total destruction. Hit the US, and turn this into a direct war. If Iran attacks US bases in Qatar, Bahrain, or Iraq, it's game on. World War III begins in real time. Russia will arm Iran. China will defend its oil interests. Israel will launch everything it has. And the US will respond with their dominance, maybe even nukes if things go beyond the limit. This isn't a movie. This is the real battlefield forming in front of us. How this war will shake the stock market. Oil is the first victim. And when oil price rises, inflation burns every country. But there's something most people will miss. Amid crisis, some sectors boom. India may not join the war, but India will feel the tremors. And that's where the biggest stock market opportunities lie. 3 Indian sectors that will create rise amid tensions. Here's where the smart money is going: defense, pharma, and IT shares. But be warned, this isn't all green. Banking, auto, and travel will feel the pressure. FII may pull out. Rupee may weaken. Markets may swing violently. But volatility is when wealth is transferred from the fearful to the focused. So what should you do? Don't panic. Prepare. Don't watch fearfully. Watch wisely. Start building a portfolio around India's resilience, not global panic. Because wars may come and go, but the smart investor grows in every storm. If this video gave you clarity in chaos, like it, share it, and subscribe. Because the next few months could be the most historic in your lifetime. Stay safe. Stay invested. Stay aware. This is Mr. J, signing off. See you in the next video.